Gravitech, in cooperation with Techman, have developed the world's first supplied air respirator designed specifically for rope access welding professionals. Built by Ropetechs, for Ropetechs, it's lightweight, balanced and ready to protect your respiratory system where gravity demands your focus. Our units are tested to conform with rigorous Australian optical and respiratory protection standards, ensuring the highest protection against organic, inorganic acid gases and ammonia derivatives. Be safe, breathe safe. This is Gravitech.